The duckling gets a cookie. Words and pictures by Mo Willems. The duckling gets a cookie. Hello, Scooty Scoot Scoot. May I have a cookie, please? Oh, thanks. Flappy flip flap. That was very nice of you. Oh, look at all those nuts. Hey, how'd you get that cookie? I asked for it. You asked for it politely. Say, does that cookie have nuts? Yes. So you got a cookie with nuts just by asking politely. I ask for things all the time. I ask to drive the bus. I ask for hot dog parties. Do I ask for candy? I do. Doesn't have to be a big bus, you know. I'll ask for a French fry robot every now and then. I've asked for a walrus. Right now I'm asking why. Why? Oh, there's more. Sometimes I ask for a hug, or I'll ask for one more story. I can't count the times I've asked for my own personal iceberg. I ask to stay up late. Oh yeah, I'm the askingest pigeon in town. But do I get what I ask for? No! It's not fair. Flappy flip flap. Ducklings get everything. Pigeons like cookies too, especially with nuts. Why did you get that cookie? So I could give it to you. And another thing. Hubba what? You're giving me that cookie with the nuts? That is so nice. Thank you. Thank you very much. Chomp. That is one cool duckling. Chomp. Yes, sir. Bye. May I have another cookie, please? But this time, no nuts. This book is The Duckling Gets a Cookie, written and illustrated by Mo Willems.